Hi everybody, my name is Andrea Collins and my controversial topic is euthanasia. Euthanasia is the painless killing of a patient who is suffering from an incurable disease or an irreversible coma. Euthanasia is commonly referred to as mercy killing or assisted suicide. Therefore, there are many ethical dimensions around euthanasia, making it a highly controversial topic. Globally, different countries around the world have different laws on euthanasia and assisted death. In Netherlands, they were the first to legalize euthanasia and assisted death in 2002. In Belgium, it is also legal if patients freely express a wish to die because of their pain. In France, it is against the law. In the United States, it is legal in some states and not others. In Germany, it is legal under some circumstances. And then in Canada, Bill C-14 deals with medical-assisted deaths. Medical-assisted deaths in Canada are legal for those who meet the requirements. One of the requirements is to be suffering with chronic, incurable pain. Although it is legal in Canada for some faith-based hospitals and care facilities, they refuse to offer their patients this treatment based on religious views. For example, Covenant Health here in Edmonton, Alberta. Therefore, it is important to look at the religious perspective on euthanasia. Death is an important aspect of religion. A person's religion can help provide comfort in the face of death. Some churches stress the importance of the natural process of death as a part of life. Therefore, religious arguments against euthanasia include: life is a gift from God. Humans are made in God's image. The process of death is spiritually important. Humans' life is valuable. Many religions have views on euthanasia and death. The ones we are going to look at include Roman Catholic, Buddhism, Hinduism, Islamic, Jewish, and Sikh. The Catholic Church's perspective on euthanasia is highly opposed to medical-assisted death, thinking euthanasia is morally wrong. The Catholic Church calls laws allowing euthanasia unjust. Pope Francis denounces euthanasia, calling it a sin against God and creation. Pope John Paul II says humans should always choose the way of life over the way of death. Buddhist perspective on euthanasia. Teachings of the Buddha do not explicitly discuss euthanasia. Therefore, Buddhists are not unanimous on their perspective on euthanasia. Although most commonly Buddhists are against euthanasia, and they see voluntary euthanasia as a demonstration that an individual's mind is in a bad state. Hinduism focuses on the consequences of our actions primarily, but they do have two predominant perspectives towards euthanasia. They are that the parting of the soul and the body on a natural time will damage the karma of a doctor and the patient, and then performing a good deed by helping to end the painful life of another, thus fulfilling a moral obligation. These two views are absolutely different, but important for the Hindu perspective on euthanasia. The Islamic perspective on euthanasia. Muslims are against euthanasia because life is sacred, given to them. The Jewish perspective on euthanasia. Jewish law forbids active euthanasia, regarding it as murder, with no exceptions. Jewish doctors have the duty to preserve life. They cannot actively end life, but if there is something preventing the soul from departing, a doctor can remove what is preventing the soul from departing. The Jewish belief comes primarily from 2 Samuel in the Bible, as you can read here at the bottom. Sikhs' perspective on euthanasia. Sikhs have a great deal of respect for life, a gift given from God. Majority of Sikhs are against euthanasia because of the belief that the time of birth and their time of death is God's choice. Sikhs' moral teachings are based on caring for others that are less fortunate. So how do you perceive euthanasia? What informs your perspective on euthanasia? Your country? Your beliefs? Your religion? I leave you to ponder this question.